Let's go to China for the Seagull 1963 38mm watch. Very famous, a very good watch for beginners that want to make their first watch collections. This is my watch, the one I bought from AliExpress, and I have to tell you that this watch has an interesting history because it is the army watch during the 60s, the 70s in China, and was a military watch, and you can see how beautiful it is. And I bought mine because I really was very curious, and I went on AliExpress to see prices, and I figured out that probably for my wrist was much better to buy the 38 diameter millimeter rather than the 40 millimeters, and I was right because it really fits well my wrist. This is a beautiful watch that you can use every single day. It comes with two different type of straps, a nato, that to be honest I don't like very much, and this synthetic leather, black leather strap that I put on the watch. The movement is fantastic. It's a manual winding, rewinding movement, and it's really beautiful. That's basically one of the best parts of this watch. Very reliable, okay, and as you can see, it has some really nice touch of colors which are very typical. It's beautiful. I am very happy about this this buy. I think that if you are starting or if you have doubts in buying it, you should buy it. It's not expensive, and believe me, you have a solid, good timepiece in your collection. If you like this video, please like the video, share and comment. Okay, thank you.